Greetings, River Lady here, and this is an exciting time for me. I have another season premiere. It's time for the season premiere. Ha! Got it right this time. I didn't say finale. The season premiere of Astilbe Rescue. You might remember the last time we met our little Astilbe, I had rescued it from Lowe's reduced plants rack. I got it for $1 and it looked like it was dead. So I planted it, gave it some TLC, put it to bed right at the beginning of the winter, and now it's time for the unveiling. Did our Astilbe make it? So let's see what's going on. And bingo! We have eyes. These are the Astilbe's eyes. You can see these little brown pieces peeking up from the ground. Our Astilbe made it. Oh, another one there, two there. This is from last year. He's back. Oh, look, there's another one. Oh, and there's a little wormy. There's another one. Our Astilbe made it. Welcome back. Okay, so I will water this puppy because you might remember, you might not, Astilbe need the ground, the soil, to be kept evenly moist, and it's pretty dry. For spring, we're in a pretty dry spell right now. So I will give it some water, and then in a couple of weeks, I will feed it, and hopefully we'll get Astilbe blossoms. Thank you for watching Astilbe Rescue Season 2 premiere. This is River Lady saying, please subscribe. You want to get those karma chips. And happy gardening. Bye.